Yo, hello everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great and wonderful. All right. Yeah, so now we are trying to go live and direct on YouTube so that we can start weekly analysis, right? Because it is very, very important, guys. All right. Hello everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. All right. Let's get things started, man. How's your week going, guys? Let me send the links to this our channel so that they will join us there as well. All right, guys, let's get it, man. Awesome. Okay, so yeah, how are you guys doing? So Israel Trader speaking right here. So right now in this video or in this live stream, by the title, uh, we are going to do a forex analysis. So yeah, we have 1 hour to cover everything right here on YouTube, if time permits us, right? So now, I'm gonna go start with the Euro USD. So I'll just start with Euro USD. Then, if there's any particular pair that you want guys to, you guys want me to analyze, then you can just say it down in the live chat section. I'll be able to see it. Then I will now analyze that particular pair wherever you are asking, right? So yeah, I can see some people are saying hi Israel, hi, hello everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you are good. All right, let's get it, man. So yeah, so I'll start with the first pair on the list is Euro USD, right? If you guys attended one of our live stream last week, which was last week Sunday, you know how I analyze this Euro USD and things like that, right? I say Euro USD is gonna go up to the upside from here. Then there's a possibility of it coming to this level, but some fundamentals hit into the market. You see that it was not able to come up to this level, right? But right now, Euro USD came back down for another retracement, right? So this is going to be another opportunity for us to get into the market, right? So now this was where we got in last week after we've done the analysis and everything on here on YouTube, right? It was live and direct. The market was around here. So now, as you can see, the market went up to the upside, like I said. So after which, I was still expecting the market to continue to move to the upside to this level after this break of this structure, right? But the market later came back down for another retracement when fundamentals hit into the market. So now it was fundamentals that pushed this market to the downside. So um that's why you see this sold right now, right? So yeah, that's it about the Euro USD. So right now, what am I seeing on Euro USD? That's another question, right? So what I'm seeing on Euro USD is that Euro USD might still come back down again, maybe to reach this level, or it can even still come down and reach this level before it will still give us another opportunity to get in long into the market, right? Because my bias on this is still long position, not short position. All of this sell, it was a retracement. You know what I mean? It was just a retracement, after which it will continue to push back up to the upside, right? But our final take profit was triggered last week for 120 pips, right? But USD card and things like that, they hit stop loss, so it is what it is, guys. And the thing there is that no need for you to be winning everything, guys. You win some, you lose some. You win some, you lose some. That's how the market is. Nobody can tell me he or she wins 100%. Nah, nobody, man. I'll not accept that. I might accept whatsoever that you are telling me, but whenever time you say you win 100%, Nah, I will tell you that's not possible, right? Because it is not possible. I don't believe that, bro. All right, so yeah, just quick reminder, guys, if today is your first time right here, or if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and also give this video a thumbs up. It is very, very important. Give this video a thumbs up. But if you don't like what I'm doing here on YouTube, you can give it a thumbs down, right? It's still acceptable. But most importantly, give it a thumbs up, guys. All right. So yeah, that's what I'm just seeing on Euro USD. So there's nothing much. Just expecting the market to come down to either this level or come down to this point, right? And if you still do watch one of my analysis that we did last week, live and direct here, you can still go and watch that and see exactly what I said about this Euro USD analysis, right? But right now, I'm still seeing the market might come down to this level or to this point before we look out for another possibility to get in for a long-term buy, right? So it depends on where exactly the market reaches before it reverses back up to the upside. So yeah, guys, that's that about the Euro USD. And if you still have any specific pair that you want me to analyze, you can still send it in the live chat section. I'm checking whatsoever is happening over there, right? So now somebody is saying, may you please analyze V75 for me? Not only for you, man. I'll analyze V75 for you guys that is watching live and direct right now on YouTube, right? So now, if you still remember my analysis on volatility 75 last week, I say it's going to sell, right? I say it's going to sell. So let's see what exactly happened on volatility 75. So let it just load as we wait for that. Let me check out for GBP, JPY. Somebody is saying GJ, so I gotta check out it for GJ as well. All right. Okay, so this is GJ. You guys still remember when exactly we executed trade around this zone, right? Come on, man. This was swing trade, bro. If you held this trade, you would have been in about 1,000 pips, man. Oh my goodness. 1,000 pips for Christ's sake, bro. Come on, man. 1,000 pips. So, but our final take profit was around 211 pips. It was 210 pips. So now, had we held this trade up to this point, it would have been about 1,000 pips. But I see that a lot of you guys are not patient to wait for all of this swing opportunity, right? And at times, if you see me, maybe talking about 500 or 600 pips on a trade, you do say, oh, Israel, how do you do this? How do you do that, right? And of course, I do say the signals here everything with the VIP premium and at times with my free Telegram students. You know what I mean? So if you are not yet in our free Telegram channel, what are you waiting for, bro? You gotta join us right now, right there on our Telegram channel, right? So let me just show you the channel and things like that so that you can understand exactly what I'm talking about. So this is the free Telegram channel. So that's the free, and this is just a free version of it, guys. And I literally do share everything, not everything anyway, but I do share some of it, right? As you guys can see, so this is the ITT VIP premium. ITT premium group chat. This is the private group chat for ITT premium users only. So this is the group chat of it. This is our premium channel. This is ITT premium channel. Oh my goodness, I don't know why my mouth is just saying VIP. You know what I mean? So this is the VIP signals channel. So I only share signals here. I don't share anything right here on the VIP channels, right? Whereby this is the free Telegram channel. You can join us. Link in the description of this video. You can just check it out and join us and enjoy our free signal and free educational stuff that I share on this free Telegram channel. It is very, very important, guys. So yeah, let's go back down to our analysis and check out for V75 now. So this is V75. Let's wait for it to load, guys. It is very, very important. Okay, somebody is saying Euro USD. Oh, Euro AUD, please. All right. So I'll check out Euro AUD as well. So somebody as well is saying, please analyze GBP USD. Okay, all right, guys. I'll analyze GBP USDs. But first of all, the first one on the list right now, it is volatility 75, right? So now let's go back down to volatility 75. So this is volatility 75, guys. But excuse me. Let me reference something before we go ahead. If you watch my live analysis last week, you will be able to understand exactly what I'm about to talk right here. So let me just try to show you. Nah, not that one, man. Trying to do something different. I want to go to my channel so that I want to show you guys when we analyze this volatility 75, and I say that it's gonna sell, right? So where is the videos? Yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. I'd like you very much for 2,220 subscribers. I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it. I like how you guys are just subscribing to the channel and loving the channel, right? All right, guys. So yeah, this is our analysis for 21st of February 2020. As you can see, this is the date right here. So I will show you exactly what I said on this pair being volatility 75, right? So let's see.
You've been doing it the absolute wrong way. If you give me the next 5 seconds, I will show you.
I don't want to waste your time, but let's not skip ads, guys. That's how you support each other. So yeah, this was Euro USD right now. I see guys are seeing where the market was before I execute that trade, and I continue holding my trade to my final take profit. This was last week anyway. So let me look out for where I analyze volatility 75 for you. I'm trying to reference something.
I'll put another one.
Okay, all right. This was volatility
zone,
75.
right? Around this zone.
So are you guys seeing it now? This was where I analyzed volatility 75 last week. So you see where the market is right now? Hopefully you can see my screen, right? So this is where the market was. And let me go back down to the volatility 75. So yeah, it was around here, guys. It was around here. Yeah, exactly. It was around this point where we are analyzing it right now. As you guys can see, it is accurate. It was around this level, right? So now you see what happened. Volatility 75 sold to the downside. But let's see, when I say something that regarding what I'm expecting and things like that on volatility 75, you see I drew my trend line now and I drew this level, right? Which basically means that I'm expecting volatility 75 to continue to push back down to the downside. So let's listen to what I said last week regarding this.
It is a buy, so
hopefully you guys can hear me, right?
It is. Man, what exactly is going on today? Alright, the network is not stable, but it is what it is. So literally, let me just pin all of this.
I'm trying to
for some hours to.
So you see, I now drew my arrow, right? I drew this arrow to the downside, pointing that okay, volatility 75 will sell to around price. No way, I cannot see that price, guys, but to the downside, which is around this zone, right? Which is around here. Let me just put it so that you can understand what I'm saying. So around this zone, right? That's where I'm expecting volatility 75 to sell to. And now it's still on its way moving back down to the downside, right? So now, what am I going to do next? I'll now take out my rectangle. Where's my rectangle? I'll now take out my rectangle. Can I see? I think it's nah, it's not. Can I see rectangle? No way, I can't. I kind of forgot where this is, man. No, it's not here. rectangle. Come on. This is where I usually pin my workflow, guys, so that it will keep me. Okay, this is the rectangle. Sorry for that. Now I will pin it so that it will not go and miss again. All right, guys. Sorry for that. So now you see this level again. This is another opportunity for us to wait and sell the market. This was where the market is last week, where I marked out right here. You see it? I marked it out, right? So you can still reference it and understand exactly what I'm talking about, right? So yeah, right now, what is exactly is going on volatility 75? I'm seeing a sell, guys. And also, guys, before we continue, just a quick reminder: if today is your first time right here on ITT channel or Israel Trader channel, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends and family, and also make sure you join our free Telegram channel. I do share a lot of signals, analysis, and tips and tricks of how you can be a profitable trader right here on our free Telegram channel, right? And also make sure you follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and all of our social media handles. But most importantly, subscribe to the channel, guys. All right, guys, let's continue with today's analysis, right? So right now, this is volatility 75, and what I'm expecting right here on this V75 is it will continue to go back down to the downside. But before that, you see I mark out this level just now, right? Based on the fact that I just saw something around that area, right? So now, since this is my final target on volatility 75, what am I expecting from this particular pair to do first before I will now say, okay, it's going to go back down to the downside for continuation pattern, right? So right now, what I'm waiting for this now on volatility 75 is that I'm waiting for volatility 75 to come up to this level before I will not see a push back again to the downside. But before it does all of this move, expect it to break out of this level first, which is around price 6786 or 7.9473. 678607. Or you can say 6,708,607, right? That's number anyway. That's number. It's not money, bro. Come on, man. How you wish that's your bank account, right? That's not even the right number. 678,607. That's it. Not even 6 million. 678,607.9473. Wait for it to be broken before you now expect volatility 75 to continue to push back again to the downside, right? So that's my take on volatility 75 right now, guys, because we don't have much time. That's why you see me not taking much of my time putting my support and resistance and things like that on this volatility 75, right? So yeah, that's what I'm saying on V75, guys. And of course, if you have any question, you can just say, hey Israel, please, I don't understand exactly what you mean by this and by that, all this analysis of volatility 75, right? So this is the opportunity for you to ask me if there's any other question on this volatility 75 analysis, guys. Yeah, I'm listening if there's any other question. I'm listening to you guys if there's question regarding this volatility 75 analysis, so that we can just go ahead and continue with today's analysis, because I see a lot of you are sending some pairs to trade, right? Okay, so let me start to read some of your comments. Please, we can do V75. All right, I've done it. Sell to 608. All right. What are the indicators you use to analyze V75? Nah, I don't trade with indicators, bro. I don't even use indicators at all in the forex market. I don't do it. So, well deserved. Please friend me. Okay, all right. Buy the paint brush. What's the meaning of that? Listen to what I said. I didn't say V75 will go back up to the upside for continuation pattern. You can what do you call it? You can backwards, yeah, whatsoever. You can backward the video, or you can just skip to the back so that you can understand exactly what I said about all of this analysis on volatility 75. Based on, I don't have any time to go back and start to do volatility 75 analysis again. I did not say V75 is going to buy. Nah, that's not what I said. I say V75 is going to sell, not a buy. Understand what I'm saying? And also, it is very, very obvious, what I said on the chart right now. So it is up to you. So if you want to buy it, you buy it. But I've done my analysis and I've told you my opinion regarding the analysis and everything that I've done on volatility 75. And of course, I'm not the market maker and I'm not big banks or so. I'm a trader like you, I do the analysis myself. Not that I know exactly where the market is going to go. Nah, I don't do that. I just analyze, look out for my confirmations. If I have it, then I get into the market. That's just it. But if there are some sort of manipulations in the market, definitely something wrong might happen. And if that happens, it is not my fault. You can't just start to blame market makers. Not me, man. Not me. So that's just it, guys. So right now, let's continue with currency pairs now. But first of all, somebody asked of GBP JPY, right? So this is GBP JPY right now. You guys still remember when exactly we executed trade around this area? You see, I did not even delete everything, nothing. Boom, continue to push back up to the upside for about 1,000 pips, man. 1,000 pips. Come on, bro. All right. So right now, let me check out. Okay, all right. Somebody's saying, please analyze GBP, no, GJ, all right. So I'll analyze GJ now. So this is GJ on the screen right now. This is GBP JPY, right? So you guys see that I still got my zones and things like that, but I'll clear everything today. This was a long time buy, man. Long time buy. Right now it's getting exhausted. You know what I mean? It's getting exhausted. So let's mark out our levels on this. This is one day time frame. This is the daily time frame on GBP JPY. So now I'll try to mark out all of this so that you can understand what exactly is going to happen on GBP JPY, right? Hopefully you guys can hear what I'm saying, right? So let me mark this level out so that it will serve as our key zones. All right, guys. Yep, that's it. So I'm seeing another level around this. Yeah, and we'll now go back down to, okay, this is daily time frame. I'm supposed to make them to be green and green and green again. Perfect. So that's daily time frame. Excuse me. So this is daily time frame support and resistance. Let's go back down to 4-hour time frame. So this 4-hour time frame, and we got to amend this like that. Perfect. This to be like this. Perfect. And this one to be like this. Perfect. And also we got to put another one, man. Got to put something right here, and this one is gonna be pink. All right, that's how it is, and that's how we identify the what does it call it, support and resistance on the 4-hour and the daily time frame, right? So that's again. And the next thing that I'm supposed to do is I will draw my trend line, right? So this will be my trend line this way, and let's see, let me extend it all the way to the upside like that. And see, this is 4 hour time frame. Make it to be like this. It's gonna be 2 pixels. Now should I put it 3? Nah, 3 is gonna be way big, man. So 2 is okay. Yeah. So you see, this is my trend line now on GBP JPY, and it is 4 hour time frame, right? And also remember how we start this analysis, guys. It is very important for you to take note of that. So right now, what I'm saying on this GBP JPY is that it will come down for the retracement. It will continue to come down to this level to retest this trend line before it will pick up again to continue to move to the upside. Let me show you something. From here, boom, to continue to move to this point, and there is a possibility of the market breaking out of this and continue to push back up to the upside, right? But let me see something. They could to push back to the upside. So let me see if there's any other thing around this area. There's nothing much interesting that happened on these levels. Okay, I think it has reached its highest point possible. Let's see. Okay. Nah, it has reached its highest point possible. Okay, there's this level. So after it breaks out of these guys, this one will be the last target. So let's see if there's any other highs. Oh, this one will be last target. So we still have a long way to go on GJ, guys. All right, come on, man. We still have a long way to go on GJ. This move happened January, now February, 1st of February, 2018. Yeah, 2018. This move happened on that. So now, after the market breaks out of this level, breaks out of this, so we expect the market to continue to move back up to the upside. But let me see that zone, so that I can know the number to expect, or to tell you guys that okay, around so area the market will go and reach that level, right? Let me mark this up. But remember, this is 4 hour time frame, guys. After marking this out, so it will be the final target. And remember, this is going to be a swing trade, not scalp trade or whatsoever. That will be the final target, guys, after it breaks out. So you see, after it breaks out of that, come on, man, this will be the final target. So this is how we identify a swing trade, right? So right now, if we calculate how many pips is this from this area, let me calculate it. From this area to this point, like this, you see that is 990 pips, or yeah, is 1000 pips, man. So 1000 pips will be the target, and also you'll be risking around 100 pips on this, man. So this is 1 to 10 risk reward ratio. This is 1 to 10. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Long term on GJ, come on, man. This is a long term move on GBP JPY. This is not a scalp trade or whatsoever. It is a long term move on GJ. So you see that? Is there any question, guys? And also, if today is the first time right here, come on, man, what are you waiting for? Give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends and family, you know, so that they can enjoy our live stream, live analysis, signals and everything like that, right? And also, if you're not yet following us on our free Telegram channel, make sure you got to join us right there as well. Join us and be part of the ITT community, right? So that we can just enjoy ourselves, share trade ideas, signals and things like that. So make sure you join us on our Telegram channel, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and all of our social media handles, right? So right now, that's it, and the links are going to be down in the description of this video. So check it out and join us as well right there, guys. All right, so now back to our business. So that's what I'm saying on this GBP JPY. So that's it, guys. So if you got any question, you let me know, so that I can know where exactly you did not understand, and I will go over it, right? So now, back to you. Ask any question regarding this GBP analysis. And of course, before you start buying it, there must be a candlestick pattern or signal confluences to happen around this level before you now say, okay, GJ is ready to go back up to the upside again before you start to buy it, right? So now that's how we do it, guys. If there's any other question, let me know right away so that I can just answer you before we go ahead. All right, guys, is there any question? Is there any question, guys? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, man. It is very, very important if you subscribe to the channel. All right, so let's go down to the next pair that we have, which is the next pair now is what? Let me check it out. Okay, Euro AUD. So I'm following it step by step, guys. I'm reading your comments right now, so that I can just be following. After Euro AUD, we'll now be having GBP USD. So all right, we got 29 minutes left because this Zoom call, I mean this a live stream is being scheduled for 1 hour, right? It is 1 hour call. So right now, let's go and check out for Euro AUD because we got no time anymore. So let's check it out, man. It is Forex, so Euro AUD. Euro AUD. All right, this is Euro AUD. Okay, guys, you guys still remember my analysis and things like that on Euro AUD, right? So there was a time that I sent a sell signal on Euro AUD around this area. That's why you are saying I still got my analysis and everything on Euro USD set up, right? So now the final take profit was 250 pips and it was triggered, right? And apart from that, later went back down for how many pips? For around 600 pips. Come on, man. Shout out to ITT, bro. 600 pips, but our final take profit was 250 pips, right? So it is what it is, guys. And right now, Euro AUD is coming up for a retracement. So all of this move, it is a retracement move that is happening on Euro AUD right now, because you see what is happening here or what has happened here. Let me clear this so that you can understand exactly what I'm saying on Euro AUD. So you guys are seeing it, right? So now the first thing is you just put all of this your horizontal line, which will serve as your support and resistance level on this pair, right? So now let me check it out. So yeah, this is daily time frame support and resistance. Now let's go back down to 4-hour time frame and check out what exactly is happening right here, right? So this is the 4-hour time frame, and we have to amend this to the upside like this. Perfect. And now we have to put another one around this area. This is gonna be for 4-hour time frame, man. So I will change the color to pink since it is 4-hour time frame, right? So now what are we expecting on this? Yeah, we expect the market to come up to this level before it will start to sell, but right now it is on retracement. So right now this pair, no specific direction, man. There's no any other direction. But right now, since it has broken out of this structure, I mean, it did not break out of this. We cannot say, okay, we not expect the market to come back down to the downside from this area, right? But right now, this zone got broken, and there's a possibility of this Euro AUD to continue to push back up to the upside, or it might do something like this, just retrace a bit, then boom, continue to go up to the upside. And if you see that the market break out of this, it will still continue to go up again these points to come up to this point. So nobody can tell at the moment, no specific direction. That's what I'm saying on Euro AUD. And if you have any question, you let me know right now so that I can answer your question live and direct. Is there any question on Euro AUD analysis? Is there any question? Just ask your question right now. This is the right time for you to ask me if there is any other question on Euro AUD, guys, before we continue. And also, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for, man? Subscribe to the channel, and come on, let's hit 3,000 subscribers, bro. You don't want us to hit 3,000 subscribers? All right. So yeah, you gotta just hit subscribe, man. It's free of charge. Or maybe we have to tell YouTube now to change it to maybe follow me or something like that, because whenever time people hear subscribe, they are thinking that, okay, how much is it? How much should I pay to subscribe to your channel? Without knowing that it is free, man. It is free, right? So now let's go back down to next pair that we have. The next one that we are having right here, it is what we refer as GBP USD, right? So yeah, I'm not just saying GBP USD, Euro AUD, or things like that. I'm following what you guys said, right? So now, after GBP USD, somebody was saying, please, we can do V75. Now, we've already done V75. What are the indicators you use to analyze V75? I don't use any indicator, man. Well deserved, all right, by the paintbrush. No. All right, V75. Do you V50 or V10? Or, you know, I don't do that. Euro AUD, we've done that, and CAD JPY. Okay, after GBP USD, now we now go back down to CAD JPY so that we can understand exactly what is going to happen on CAD JPY as well. So yeah, let's go back down to CAD JPY, guys. It is very, very important. Come on, man. I'm super pumped today, bro. Next week is gonna be an insane week for us at ITT VIP and ITT Premium. So if you are not yet there, you gotta join us. And also, if you are not there yet in a VIP or Premium, what are you waiting for? The free channel is open for you. You gotta join there as well. Join us, man. You gotta join there. It is free. You don't have to pay anything. So join. The link is down in the description below of this video, and also subscribe to the channel, man. Let's hit 3,000 subscribers before end of March. Let's hit 3,000 subscribers, bro. Let's get it. We can do this, man. So yeah, let's go down to GBP USD so that we can understand exactly what is going to happen on GBP USD when the market opens, guys. Okay, GBP USD. Come on, guys, let's get it. Hope you guys are ready to make some money when the market opens, right? So this is GBP USD right now. For our time frame, let's go down to the daily time frame so that we can put our key level base support and resistance lines, right? Key zones, it is very, very important in the market, guys. It does respect that whenever time the market reaches those levels, right? But make sure that you are setting it accurately. If it is not accurate, come on, you just be saying, oh, Israel said key levels this and that, but it doesn't work and things like that, right? Of course, you are not doing it the right way, man. You are doing it just the wrongful way. So you gotta do it how we do it, right? It have to be accurate, bro. It have to be accurate. So let's get it, man. Let's get it. So yeah, let's go back down to 4 hour time frame, guys. So this is 4 hour time frame right now. After we put our support and resistance on the daily time frame on GBP USD, right? So now let's go back down to the 4 hour time frame so that we can understand exactly what we are going to be expecting on GBP USD when the market opens, right? It is very, very important. So yeah, let's go back down to 4 hour time frame, guys. So yeah, this is 4 hour time frame on GBP USD right now. And of course, don't forget, if you have any question, just let me know, or you can tag me at Israel the Trader. So ask your question, right? I'll be able to see it and I'll answer your question live and direct right now, right? Because we got some minutes left right now. We have about 21 minutes left to round up this live Forex analysis for 28th of March, 28th of February 2021, right? So yeah, guys, let's go back down to our GBP USD. If you don't have any question, right? Come on, man, let's continue. So yeah, let's amend this to today's points. Remember, that's our daily time frame support. This is our daily time frame resistance. I'll pin that, man. I will just lock that. I don't want it to be moving up and down. So this is our 4 hour time frame support. This is our 4 hour time frame resistance around this area. So yeah, you are seeing how I'm combining all of these stuffs, right? And also, you can mark out some sort of a yeah, should we mark it? Yep, around this area. Mark it up around this level, but let's leave that for now. And the next thing that we are supposed to do is we are supposed to plot our trend line, right? Our trend line this way. Come on, man. You see that trend line got broken right now on this 4-hour time frame. Trend line got broken on GBP USD. You are seeing it, right? So now what am I expecting since trend line got broken? And remember, we have some level around here, and this is a key level as well, right? So now the market is breaking out of it, and okay, let me change the color. So this is 4-hour time frame, supposed to be like that. All right, guys. So now you see what happened. Breakout. So I would say expect a retest on this, man, because of this. Yeah, I would say expect a retest before the market will continue to push back down to the downside. So I'll say expect a retest to around this area, yeah, before the market will come down to this point. And after which, if you see a breakout of this level, the market can still come down to this green line before we now look out for some sort of buying opportunity, right? So this is what is going to happen, guys. Break out of that, break out of this, boom, to this point. Then around here, we'll look out for some sort of buying opportunities, right? So after which, then we'll now look out for what is this person? All right. Sorry, guys, for the interruption. Sorry. All right. So yeah, I'm expecting the market to come up for retracement a little bit before it will continue to go back down to the downside. But if you see the market is really pushing hard to the downside from here, you can start selling it, right? Based on the fact that the market has broken this key level already, and you know, we expect it to come down to this level before it will continue to back up to the upside again. Remember, GU is still long term buy, man. But let me check it out around this area and see what exactly happened on this. Sorry, guys, give me some seconds. Oh, all right. I wanted to pick up the call. Somebody is calling me. All right. Let me just check it out so that. Oh, okay. Yeah. So you see that after that level get broken, this will be the next target. Right here will be the next target for now. Remember what I said? I said for now. Right. So do it like that. So that will be the next target if the market tends to go back up again to the upside. This will be the next target. But as of now, you know, wait for the market to finish all of this selling opportunity or retracement to finish before you now expect it to go back up to the upside, guys. That's what I'm saying on GBP USD. Is there any question, guys? If you got any question, you can let me know before we continue with today's analysis, right? So the next pair that we have, it is what we refer as CAD JPY. Somebody said CAD JPY, right? So now I'll go back down to CAD JPY if there's no any other question on GBP USD analysis, right? So you can let me know, guys. We got 16 minutes left in order for us to round up this live stream. So yeah, somebody's asking what are the what are the other drive pairs you trade. Now, I don't trade anything on drive, only V75. I don't trade anything apart from V75. Only V75, that's what I trade on drive, guys. So yeah, I don't like trading boom and crash, V25, V100, all of these things, you know, I don't regard them as a very profitable something. But V75 is kind of risky if you are just a new trader, right? If you are just a new trader, I don't recommend for you to start trading on V75. Don't try to do that, man, because V75 will just finish your money or you make a lot of money, right? Two things must happen. Either you make money or you lose money, right? In fact, that's how forex trading is. Either you make money or you lose money. That's how it is. So make sure you trade with consciousness. Make sure you know that forex trading is very, very risky. So that's how it is, guys. And apart from that, let's go back down to CAD JPY before we continue with some stuff. Since you guys don't have any question on GBP USD, right? Let's go down to CAD JPY. All right, this is CAD JPY right now, and that's for our time frame. Let's go back down to 1 hour, 1 day time frame. This is daily time frame anyway. All right, so now we start putting our support, our resistance as usual, right? But I don't just get into the market by just plugging my support and resistance. I look out for candlestick patterns and my signal confluences, right? It is very, very important, guys. If you are able to stick to your strategy and things like that, you know, you have to backtest it and develop your own strategy as well. But it's all up to you. Nobody can force you to do that. If you say you're not gonna do it, you know, it's up to you. But I assure you that if you are able to stay consistent and do all of this stuff, you know, you're gonna be a profitable trader. So now I'm expecting this shit to come back down for retracement before it to shoot up again to the upside. So let you know, if you have any question right here, you can ask before you go back down to 4 hour time frame. It is very, very important, guys. Okay, somebody is saying, do you do live for synthetic indices? Yeah, I do it. I do it sometimes. I do it, but these days, you know, I got no time. So anytime that we have time, you know, I gotta go live on YouTube so that we can just trade everything live and direct, right? You see me executing trade on my account and things like that. How do I determine my risk reward ratio? How do I determine my stop loss and things like that? So make sure you don't miss our live trade on YouTube during London and New York session. I only trade London session and New York session, so that is when exactly I get into the market and execute my trade on those trading sessions, right? Sorry, guys. Got somebody try to come. Yo, sorry guys, you know, I was interrupted. So yeah, as I was saying, if you have any question regarding this CAD JPY, you can ask now before we continue with today's analysis, right? So yeah, Ask your question if you have it. Okay.
So yeah, as I was saying, if you have any question regarding this,
Okay. It was for me. You here? Let me take this. Huh? No, I was one that is eating it. No. I'm done with it. Alright. Okay, so yeah guys, sorry for that. Where I was, come on man. Okay, alright. I was here right on the KJPY, right? So like I was saying, if you have any question regarding this analysis and things like that, you can ask now before we call it a day, right? So now let's go back down to our 4-hour time frame. So this is 4-hour time frame for this KJPY right now. So now I will just amend some of my support and resistance on this 4-hour time frame. Then we go back down to the putting our support and resistance again on this 4-hour time frame, right? So now you see that I missed this level and I missed this level and this level on this 4-hour time frame, right? So let's put our support and resistance on this. So like this, and I think that just it. But I will gotta put my rectangle. Let's put it over here. All right. So you see that was a rectangle over there now. So you see this is the KJPY, and I gotta mark this level out as well. All right, you see that? So this is KJPY right now, and what else, guys? It is the trend line, right? That's the next thing. So we gotta put our trend line, after which we go back up to the analysis, right? So this is it, guys. Just trying to extend this to the resistance line. All right, so this is analysis and everything for this KJPY right now. So you see that the market is trying to break out of this trend line, right? So what you have to do now as a forex trader, you are supposed to wait for this market to either come back down to this point and retest this, then before it comes back down to this level, right? So now this is what I'm seeing on KJPY, but without the market being able to break out of this zone and coming up for retracement before it push back up to the downside again, don't start to sell the market, right? You have to have your 45 signal confluences before you now say, okay, the market is either going to go up or go down to the downside, right? That's how you determine where the market direction is going to go. So now, after the market has played out, how you've done your analysis like this, because after you do the analysis or after the market break out of this trend line, come back down to this support level, go back up again and retest this resistance line around price 83.892, right? So we now have something that we refer as head and shoulders, right? As a market pattern. You know that we have market structures and we have market patterns, right? So now this is going to be market pattern, not market structure. Market structure are what we refer as uptrending market, downtrending market, and ranging market, right? So now it will not create what we refer as market patterns, being head and shoulders pattern, right? So now let me check out my head and shoulders so that you understand exactly what I'm talking about. So this is the head and shoulders pattern, and you see that the market will have to create this right shoulder in order for it to be a valid head and shoulders pattern and sell the market all the way to the downside, right? You can get in right here, or you can get in when the market breaks out of this neckline in order for you to just stay at the safest side, right? So now once it breaks out of this level, this will be your final target around price 81.977. That will be your last target on KJPY. So and that this is going to be for how many pips? This is going to be for around 190 pips, right? So with very good risk management and things like that, you will be able to have a decent amount of profit on this KJPY trade. But first of all, make sure the market breaks out of this trend line. to this point, after which it will bounce back off of it to go up for what we refer as a swing, as a corrective move or corrective pattern, right, to the upside. Then it will not go back down to the downside. So this is what I'm saying on JPY. So if you got any question regarding this analysis right now, you have to ask it after which, before we call it a day. So now ask your question, guys. I'll be able to read your chart now and see where exactly your question is, right? Then we got about 5 minutes left, man. So 5 minutes left, and we still have a lot of pairs to analyze, but there's no time, guys. Make sure you just follow us on our Telegram channel, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook page, and subscribe to the channel as well. Apart from that, I'll do the analysis and everything, send it to our Telegram channel, right? So links are going to be down in the description of this video. Just check it out. You'll see all of our social media handles links, right? It will lead you to either Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, or the YouTube itself. So now let me read your comments so that I can understand exactly if you are getting what I'm saying right here. What are the other drive pair you trade? I think I've answered that question before. Do you do live for synthetic indices? Yeah, for sure. I do come live and direct on YouTube to trade volatility 75, V25, and things like that as well. So guys, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share with your friends and family as well. So now somebody is saying, how do you notify your followers of when you are going live? Yeah, okay, sorry for that. Are you talking of when I'm going live on YouTube, or when I'm taking a live trade, or when I'm teaching them on Zoom? So your name is Morrison Bulaya, right? So sorry if I did not pronounce it very well, but that's what I'm saying, Morrison Bulaya. So now, yeah, be specific, because I did not get what you are saying. You say, how do you notify your followers of when you are going live? Do you mean when I'm going live on YouTube, or do you mean when I'm trading live, or do you mean when I'm teaching them on Zoom call and things like that? You gotta specify that, man, before I answer your question, right? On the weekly, somebody is saying on the weekly, it is forming a head and shoulders on daily and weekly time frame on Euro AUD. I kind of find it difficult to read what you're saying, man. Israel, we love you. All right, love you too, bro. Thank you very much for that. Yeah, Mohammed Hassan, shout out to you, bro. Morrison Bulai is saying, I want to watch you VIX analysis. Okay, I've done analysis of volatility 75 already. Maybe if you just backwards this video, you'll be able to see when I did analysis of volatility 75. But just quick now, let me just show you this is the analysis that I'm having on volatility 75 right now. I even showed them when I did the analysis last week on last week Sunday, I think so, 21st of February 2021, right? I think that was last week Friday. Nah, come on, man. Last week Sunday, yeah, I think so. Go check it out. This was when I did the analysis and things like that. This is our YouTube channel, so you just check it out, man. So let's go back down to the CAD JPY. So let me continue reading your comments. Somebody is saying, I want to watch. Okay, all right, I think I've read that. God bless you, brother. Thank you very much. God bless you too. Oh, come on, what is this? Oh yeah, throw something like that. Where should I put stop loss? Yeah, stop loss on which trade or which particular pair. Be specific, man, so that I can just get what you are saying, right? Okay, somebody saying what you think about BTC, which is Bitcoin, right? Oh man, Bitcoin is kind of crazy right now, but I'm still expecting Bitcoin maybe to go back down for some time before it will go back up again. Even me, I'm still planning to buy Bitcoin, man. But I bought Bitcoin Cash right now. I still got a couple of them in my wallet, but I did not sell it at the moment. I'm still waiting for Bitcoin Cash to still go up, or BTC USD, right, which is Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin right now for our time frame, and Bitcoin, if it breaks out of this level, it will still go back down to around price 20,000. So this level, if it breaks around this 40,000 mark, which is let me check it out, man. Around 41,000, yeah. Once it breaks out of this level and continue to push impulsively to the downside, you know that it's gonna go back down to around $20,000. So you can see either buy it or you wait for it to hit $10,000, and of course that is gonna be like mystery. So you have to just wait for it. And anything that happens, you know that investment or forex trading, it involves a lot of risk in the market. So if you don't know how you're doing, or if you don't know exactly how to trade in the forex market, there is a possibility of you losing money, right? And of course, you already know that I'm not responsible for any amount that you are losing in the forex market, and I'm not also responsible for how much money you are making in the forex market. Let it be, my analysis, my signals, whatsoever, either lose or win, you know, I'm not responsible for that. So make sure you are risking what you are willing to lose, or afford what you can lose, right? That's just it, man. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on BTC USD as well. It might fall back down to the downside if it break out of this 41,000 mark, right? And make sure that you look out for it if the move is impulsively or it is just a corrective move, right? Because if you go down to daily time frame, you gotta see that this is just a corrective move. That's what I'm saying, that once it breaks out of this $41,000, gotta go back down to around this 20,000. But if it's not able to break out of this is what's gonna happen, guys. It's gonna go back up from this area, from this zone. Now it will go back up again, so even up to $60,000. So trade wisely, right? Trade wisely. Know exactly what you are doing in the forex market. Remember, your goal as a trader is not only to make money. You learn first, then you remove the L. You know that learn start with L, right? So you remove L, then now becomes N, right? Let me show you something. What I'm trying to say is that where's my brush? Okay, let me tell you something. This is what we refer as learn, right? Learn. This is learn, right? So if you remove this L now, what does it mean? If you remove this, what does it mean now? N, right? So you learn first, then you start earning. Basically means that in everything you are doing in this life, you gotta learn first before you start earning. So that's just it, guys. I think we are out of time now, but I just feel like kind of enjoying talking to you guys. So maybe we'll go back live to trade tomorrow, which is London and New York session, right? So let's see if we'll be able to go back live and direct and trade with you guys, right? Because I like to interact with you. And if you are new here and you are not yet subscribed to the channel, you gotta do that now, or you miss out live forex trading, be it London session or New York session, right? It is very, very important for you to participate in live forex trading, right? Because that is when you have the opportunity to see me executing trade on my account and also doing the analysis, and maybe go down to lower time frames and getting into the market. It's gonna be a just interactive session. So that's how it's gonna be, guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel right now and also share with your friends and family as well. So with that out of the way, let's continue reading your comments before I can now say, have a nice day. So now, okay, I think I've answered that. What do you think about BTC? Yeah, Telegram free channel is good. Make sure you people join. Yeah, for sure, man. Come on, bro. You gotta just recommend this to people. You know what I mean? Share with your friends and family so that they'll know exactly what we're doing here, right? On YouTube, on Telegram, Instagram, every social media platform that you can imagine, we are there. But not TikTok. What is it called? The other one? Oh my goodness, TikTok. Come on, man. Yeah, Snapchat, So TikTok, Snapchat, I don't do that, man. I don't do that. You know me already. I'm not kind of addicted to, either video, picture, whatsoever. Nah, don't do that, bro. All right. So somebody is saying, what's your thought on gold? And we don't have time, man. We are up, and we are even 5 minutes out of the way. So, it is what it is. You know that I still got some call with my students, 1 hour call as well with the premium students, and also I will do some analysis and things like that, and answer your DMs. And also, if you have any question, guys, my DM is open. You can ask me, hey Israel, what exactly you mean by this, please. Anything in the forex market, I'm ready for that, man. All right, guys. So hi. Oh, okay. He is saying EA or Euro 80 is forming a head and shoulders pattern on the daily and weekly. All right, I got it now. So that just you guys. Yeah, if it is a head and shoulders pattern, you know that is a sell pattern, or that is a sell signal for us, right? So make sure that you do your analysis, do your things, and all of things like that. So all right, guys, now we are rounding it up. So yeah, thank you very much, and I appreciate your presence right here. It is because you are here, that's why I'm here as well, right? Your presence means a lot to me. If you are not here, I will not be here as well, right? Because I got nobody to teach, or I got nobody to show this strategy, or I got nobody to show this forex trading and things like that, right? So yeah, I appreciate it. I appreciate it, man. Those that are subscribed to me, and those that are not subscribed, and those of you that are about to subscribe right now, I think we have to make suggestions to YouTube. Maybe I'll chat them these days, because they just integrate one live chat now, so I'll be able to chat with them. So whenever time people hear, okay, subscribe to channel, they will think they have to pay something, right? Subscribing is free, man, free of charge. So maybe we'll let YouTube know that, okay, YouTube, when we say subscribe to our followers or to our users on YouTube, they aren't subscribing based on the fact that they are thinking that maybe they gotta pay money before they subscribe. That's not how it is, guys. You are subscribing for free. So maybe we'll just talk to them and they will change it to follow me. If it is follow me, nobody will say, okay, I gotta pay something. Nothing like that. So if it is follow me now, oh, you can follow me on YouTube. Simple, right? So it is what it is. That's just how it is, guys. And thank you very much. So now I'm off. I'm still Israel Trader, and I'm signing out. Thank you very much. See you next time in our live video, or see you next time in our YouTube video, right? Stay safe and make sure you wear your mask, because COVID-19 is there, man. Hunting out for you. Hopefully none of you guys will be part of those guys, right? So yeah, signing out, man. Have a nice day, and I wish you a very good and profitable week starting from tomorrow.